Today I'm going to show you how to set up working hours and location in Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you want Outlook to automatically reflect your availability and ensure your calendar aligns with your actual work schedule and time zone. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait for your emails to fully load before moving forward. This ensures that all your account settings are properly synced and ready for adjustments. Once everything has loaded, you're ready to dive into the settings. Next, navigate to the File menu. You'll find this tab located at the very top part of your screen alongside your other tools and menu options. Go ahead and click on the File tab. This will open a menu that gives you access to various account and application settings. It's the gateway to customizing how Outlook works for you. Once the File menu has opened, take a moment to scroll down to the very bottom of that menu. Here you'll see an option labeled Options. Click on Options and a new window will appear. This is called the Outlook Options window, and it's where you'll be able to control a wide range of preferences, including the working hours and location settings we're focusing on today. Now that the Outlook Options window is open, look over to the left side menu. You'll see several tabs listed there. Click on the Calendar tab. This tab is specifically designed to help you manage how your calendar displays and functions. Once you click on it, you'll immediately see a section labeled Work Time. This is where you can set your start and end times for your working hours. Simply adjust these times to match your actual work schedule. Below that, you'll also see checkboxes for the days of your work week. Check the boxes that correspond to the days you work. This ensures that your calendar accurately reflects your availability throughout the week. After you've configured your working hours, scroll down within the calendar section. You'll notice another area labeled Time Zones. This is where you can set your location based on your time zone. Click on the Time Zone drop-down menu, and you'll see a list of locations organized by their corresponding time zones. Choose the one that matches where you're located or where you want your calendar to be based. This is especially helpful if you travel frequently or work with teams across different regions. Once you've made all your changes, click on the OK button at the bottom of the window to save and apply everything. Your working hours and location are now set up in Outlook, so your calendar will automatically reflect your availability and time zone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.